Hi, this is me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I did a video on this earlier today. Watch this. Watch the pattern to the right. When we change it, we can change the pattern quite a bit. And somebody's trying to do that with this pattern, but he's having trouble. So let's just start from scratch. Let's take our six-sided polygon, Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key and bring it in. I think the mistake he's making, and I used to make it, is he's trying to duplicate the clone, and you don't want to do, well, you want to duplicate the clone one time. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now we're going to move this out of the way and get rid of this. We're going to take this and now use the interactive fill tool, and we're going to use the same colors I did this morning. Yellow on one side, red on the other. Now here's the key, I think what he's doing wrong. Let me put that kind of in the middle. Take this item and go up to view and clone it. Now move this over. It says clone curve. This says control curve. Don't do anything with it. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and mirror it. Let's put that up there. Let's Control D and make a duplicate. Put that there. Control D. You can make as many as you like. Control D, move that over. Control D. Now, watch what happens when I take this and change it with the interactive fill tool. Watch the other ones. They all change. Let's add a little more yellow. Add a little yellow to the other side. Move that yellow a little closer. I mean, look at that. And always you can select them all. Whoop. Well, that's not half bad there, but you can take and go right here and kind of smooth out the curve. You know, you could add different colors to it. Not saying you'd want to, but a completely different pattern because you're using the, I mean, look at that. It looks like a electrical river. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.